Okay, today I will review my twin Salamander 100% metal. So this is a custom. So I make this to match with my Big Bang Pegasus version 2. So this one, the total grams is around 90 also. You see, 90.0 grams. So if we will remove some parts, the tip is this one I bought from Lazada. It's already 3.1, and then the paste bolt is 5.6, and then the track is 20.0. Then I call it twin because I use twin Salamander plate, so the combined one is 61.8. So if we will put all together, the total is 90, match with our Big Bang Pegasus. Okay.